on March 15, 2024. Now you can see that this is our plant of crassula mucosa. It is also called as the red tail crassula or zipper plant. And you can see that its leaves are very compact. So now you can see that it has a lot of branches, so we will cut certain branches. So you can see that this is our first cutting. So we have taken one of our good size cutting, and this is our second cutting. You can even take very small cuttings, okay? The success rate must be 100%, because in my experience succulents can never fail in propagation. If the temperature is good, if it is below 41 or 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, now you can see that 4 cuttings. Have to let them dry for about some days, and this one, and then after drying up and wound healing of these cuttings we will plant them out. So now you can see properly we have these cuttings. Okay, on March 16, 2024. Okay, now we have taken 4 of our cuttings, and now we will try to plant them out in this media. You can see that my media is very much sandy. Okay, it is very much sandy. It contains 50% simple garden soil and 50% construction silica sand. And now you can see that the water just seeps down and it will oozes out from the bottom. I did around like 6 to 7 drainage holes under each pot. So now we have taken our first cutting, and now we will put it out, okay, like this. And now this is my second cutting, and just insert it out, and hopefully it will be propagated successfully. Okay, you should have to remove the extra air pockets by taping the media. Now we have planted 4 of our cuttings. Now let me zoom down so you can see properly how we have planted them. Okay, these succulents can grow anywhere if you will just place these succulents on the soil, and if you will give certain moisture, they will surely grow. Okay, on May 2, 2024. Now it is the result date. I am dubbing my voice on the actual videos, so you will not see any sort of change in my voice. Now our pots are totally dried up, but still I can say that our cuttings grow well. Okay, now you can see that the sand is clearly visible, and with the help of this sponge forceps I have taken out my first cutting. So you can see that how much root it has grown. Now this is my second cutting, and you can see that one of its stem has fallen off. But if a stem used to fall, it means that you will get one new plant. Now a very good root ball. You can see that it's there are a lot of fibrous roots, okay, and clearly visible. Now what about the third one? Now let me check it out with my hand, because okay, the plant is a little delicate, and you can see that a lot of progress on the stem and on the stem side as well as on the root side. A very good root ball, and and a little bit like growth. Now this is our fourth cutting. Now we will take it out like this. It has also grown some visible roots, but still you can we can't say that we have a good growth on shooting side, but still it's good. At least all of our four cuttings has been propagated successfully. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.